Dhal. Lentil soup. A soup from Fiji. Serves 4. You will need 16 ingredients. Step 1. In a medium-sized soup pot, add 4 cups water, lentils, fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds and soak for about 1 hour. When softened, drain and rinse well. Step 2. In a large soup pan, add 10 cups water and drained lentil mixture and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for about half hour or until lentils are soft. Step 3. In a saucepan, sauté olive oil, garlic and onions until lightly browned. Step 4. Add onion mixture, crushed chili pepper, carrots and celery to large soup pan. Cook for 15 minutes or until carrots are tender. Step 5. Puree soup in batches in a blender or food processor. Return to soup pan and add salt, turmeric, curry powder, chicken soup base and soy sauce. Simmer for another 5 minutes and then serve. CountryReports, culture, countries, travel.